Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm working on a Leslie bottom fast motor. And what I'm doing now, I've already taken it apart. I've cleaned the stator already. Now I'm cleaning the casing.
To meet the rest of the demands, we'd have to call in loans, foreclose more.
So to clean this, I like to use WD-40. I spray it inside the case. Then I have some tubble towel here that I use. Wipe the inside of this. And what I'm doing is I'm getting rid of that old build up grease that's inside, build up oil. Old built up oil in there. Cleaning that all out, and I'll come back and I'll wipe all of this dry with my shop towel. Then I'll oil all of these bearing in there. I'll oil that in there. So here's the shop towel. So I'll make sure oil gets all in there, inside of here. See, that's nice and clean. Look at that. Now there are some people that have taken to painting those. I don't paint. I don't paint mine. Like you could paint them. Make sure you put tape around here. You don't want any paint in there. You don't want any paint on this right here. And then you can paint them whatever color you want to paint them. You want to put some black paint on there, green paint, yellow paint, whatever color you want to paint the motors. But I just clean them up. This is a motor that belongs to a customer. I guess if I were going to sell these commercially, then I might paint them to cover any rust spots. I'll go ahead and watch this. I'll go ahead, since I have this now, have this out, so I go ahead and put a new wheel on there. They call it a rubber O-ring. Go ahead and slip that brand new rubber O-ring on there. And that's done. Another piece. See, this is the old rubber O-ring, and you know, so you can see it's slick on that side, and it's flat. It's flat, slick. So that has to be replaced. Jen, this is what a used O-ring, rubber O-ring looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. See, you notice it's flat around the edge.
Mm-hmm.
Some people will take those rather than replace. If you in a pinch and you don't have any new ones, you can toss that one away. And you don't have any new ones, you can actually turn that over inside out.
Mm-hmm.
Flip it over and put it back on. That's what some people do. But I have plenty of brand new ones. And I'm not in a pinch when it comes to that. But one of the ways you're on a service call and you don't have a new O-ring, that can save you. That is, just turn it over inside out, flip it, and keep moving until such time that you have the opportunity to procure a new rubber O-ring. All right, so I'm going to continue on cleaning this thing with all that, and I'll be back with another video. Until then, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.